How are you all? I know you also enjoyed EVS activities, yes? Very good. Okay, so before starting the day, shall we go with a prayer song? Today's prayer is conducted by Baby Saya. So, done with the prayer? Okay. Till now we have done English, Math and EVS, all the practical tasks. I think by now you are clear with all the concepts. Yes? When we do the things practically, the concepts will be very clear and it will be fixed in our mind. So today we are gonna do Hindi and Telugu together. Fine? So once you finish with Telugu and Hindi, we also have a surprising activity. Okay? Let's complete Telugu and Hindi, then we'll go with a surprising activity. So are you ready for Hindi and Telugu activity? See, I've got chits, I've got letters of Hindi and Telugu in this, and I've got two bowls. One is Hindi and the other is Telugu. Let's see what is the activity. Identify whether it's a Hindi letter or a Telugu letter and put it accordingly. So first I got U Udata. Yes. So U Udata is a Telugu letter? Yes. Next. E se Imli. It's a Hindi akshar. Put it in Hindi. Next, let me see what do we have. A Amma. Amma is a Telugu letter. Yes. U Uyala. U Uyala is a Hindi or Telugu? It's a Telugu letter. Next. A se Am. It's a Hindi letter. Put it in Hindi. Next we have got Ika. Ika is a Telugu word. I mean to say Telugu letter. Yes. Next. A se Anar. It's Hindi. Yes. Next we have got U se Ullu. It's Hindi word again, Hindi letter again. Next, U se Un. Hindi. Next, I Illu. It's Telugu. Next we have got A Au. It's Telugu. Next we have got E se Eek. It's a Hindi. Done. Now we have segregated Telugu and Hindi letters. Yes. Now your next activity is take out your Telugu book. Okay. Open this letter. A Amma A Arati. Can you see? A Amma A Arati. A Aku A Au. So search for A letter. Search for A letter and you have to stick it. Okay. See, I got A Amma. Take Fevicol and stick it somewhere here. Okay. The same way, take the next letter. A Au. See, I got A Amma. This is A Au. So, I'll stick it like this. Okay. The same way, turn the page. Then go with E. Search where is E. This is E Illu. Stick it near E Illu. Next we have got E Ika. Search E Ika and stick it here. Okay. Then you go with your Hindi book. The same way how you did in Telugu. The same way. Search for letters and stick it. First we have got E se Eek. Search where is E se Eek. Here it is. Stick it here. Fine. This way complete your Hindi and Telugu tasks so that we can go for a surprising activity. Come on, make it fast. So you enjoyed the Hindi and Telugu activity? Yes? So our today's surprising activity is Rakhi making. Yes, we do have Rakhi festival coming, right? Remember last year we have celebrated Rakhi Shall we have a glance how we celebrated Rakhi last year? Okay, so now we are gonna make Rakhi with whatever material we have at home. Fine? Before that, let me explain you what is Rakhi. Rakhi is a Hindu festival. We call it as Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is the festival that symbolizes the love between brother and sister. The bonding between siblings is very unique and extraordinary, right? You all love your brother, you all love your sisters, right? Yeah. So on this festival day, sister ties Rakhi on brother's wrist and brother promises that he will defend her and protect her from all the situations. And also, brother gives a gift as a token of love. So this is a festival of bonding between brother and sister, and this is a Hindu festival celebrated worldwide. So even I am very excited for Rakhi celebrations. Are you? Chalo, we'll make a Rakhi now for Raksha Bandhan festival. Okay, so shall we start making Rakhi? Okay, for making Rakhi you need few material, and the material which I am gonna use today you can find at home easily. You don't have to go out to buy any material. Okay, let's see what material we have got. See, I have got a cloth. This is my old dress cloth. You can use any of the hanky which you are not using, or you can use your mama's dupatta which mama is not using, any of your old cloth. See, I have taken my kurtis cloth. Now I have got color pencils box. I have got two size of lids. This is water bottle lid and this is the syrup lid. You have syrup at home, right? That syrup lid. This is for size. I have got few white papers. I have got scissors. I have got marker pen or sketch pen. Then I have got a disposal glass. I have got the gift wrap piece. This is a very small piece. You can find at home. Then I have got this disposal plates. If not this, you can use any of the colorful sheet if you have at home. I have clay here. This is Fevicol. Okay. Next I have got a bag. These days when we go to shop for groceries and all, we are getting this bag. You can use any color bag. Fine. Okay. So shall we start? Today we are gonna make smiley Rakhi. See, we are gonna make smiley Rakhi. I'll tell you how to make this smiley first. First take a piece of white paper. Take the small lid which we use for syrup. Okay. And then make circle with this. Okay. One circle. At once you can make around 3 to 4 smileys. I am making 4 smileys here. Okay, I am making 4 smileys. Fine. See, first you have to make simple circles and then you have to make a smiley face with 2 dots and a big smiley. Again 2 dots and a big smiley. 2 dots and a big smiley. 2 dots and a big smiley. See, I made 4 smileys. Yes. Now we have to color it with yellow. Okay, where's yellow? Yeah, here it is, yellow color. You have to just scribble. Okay. We have already given a shape of smiley, so you have to just scribble it. Later on we can cut it in the smiley shape. have done with scribbling now. See, you have to just scribble it. Now take scissors and cut these smileys. Okay. See, cutting part you can give it to mummy and papa. They will cut and give you, because scissors you may get hurt. Okay. See, I've got smileys. Now shall I cut the smileys? Okay. Instead of smiley you can use anything else, but this is what I felt very easy for you to do. So I am making this because these materials you have at home, right? See, we have got one smiley. Let me cut the other 3 smileys too. Here I have got one more smiley. Okay. More 2 smileys are left over. Three smileys we have got, and one more smiley. Okay, here we got 3 smileys. Okay. Now, these smileys we keep aside. Okay, first we will make a rope. That is, for tying we need a base, right? First we will make a rope. For making a thread of Rakhi, you need to cut this cloth into 2 strings. Okay. You need to cut this cloth into 2 strings. Fine. See, I have got 1 string. The string size should be, it should fit your wrist. Okay. Not very big, not very small. It should be easy for you to tie the Rakhi. Okay. That much size is enough. See, I have got 2 strings. Can you see? Yes. I have got 2 strings. Okay. Okay. After taking the strings, first what you have to do is attach both the strings. See. Both the pieces, and then tell Mama to tie a knot here. At the edge you need to tie a knot like this. Once you tie a knot, it will become like this. After that, take a Fevicol. Once it's done, we'll keep it aside. Take Fevicol. Take little of Fevicol. Okay, and put it to 1 string. Just apply it to 1 string. Applying to 1 string is enough. Okay, fine. Like this, you need to apply it to 1 string, and then keep the Fevicol aside. Now you have to twist both the strings like this. We have already sticked Fevicol, so it will become stiff. Okay, like this, you have to twist both the strings. Like this. With help of mummy or with help of papa, you can make this string. It is very easy. You have to just twist it. That's it. You have to just twist it. We can also do it with woolen, but I don't think we have woolen at home. These days no one is using woolen, right? Wool. In olden days our grandmas used wool, but these days nobody have got time to use wool. Fine. At the end also, tell Mama to tie a small knot. Okay. See, I have tied a small knot here also. At both the ends, you need to tie knots. Okay. After tying knot, just open the edges. Just open the edges like this. Fine. After opening the edges, just you need to slightly slit the cloth so that it becomes like a tail. Fine, see, like this. Here also just small strips you have to cut it like this. Fine, see, I already made one. See, like this. Okay, the strings are ready. I mean to say the rope is ready for tying Rakhi. Now we will decorate Rakhi. Okay. Okay, for me take this disposal plate. Okay, take a big size lid and mark a circle. At once we can cut into 4 circles. Just fold it half. See, this is a big circle. Make it semicircle and then fold it once again. Okay, now keep this lid. Now draw a circle. See, like this you need to draw a circle. Fine. See, the circle is ready. Now we will cut it. Okay. See, the circles are ready. Yes. Fine. The circles are ready. Now what you have to do is take one circle shape and then fold it again, semicircle, and then make a triangle like this. It's like a pizza shape. Now you have to make a small strip cutting like this. See, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one mummy will help you. Don't use scissors, okay? See, like this you will get strips. Okay? Okay. Once you make this strip, what you have to do is keep it like this, back side, and fold one strip inside. See, you have got many strips, right? You have got many strips. One alternate you have to fold inside. Alternate strips you have to, see, we have got many strips. Just put it like this. Alternate strips you have to fold inside. One, I have folded. Leave the other one. Next, fold the alternate ones. Alternate strips you have to fold inside like this. Can you see? Yeah. Like this you have to fold. Alternate strips you have to first fold inside so that it's not visible. Okay. Like this. Like this you have to fold. Keep folding alternate strips. Like this. Can you see the difference? See, here it's fully covered and here these are alternates. Yes. So you have to fold the alternate strips. Okay. It's almost done. Like this you have to fold all the alternate strips. Here it is. Here done. Can you see the difference? See, these are alternate ones and here still we have got together all. So fold the alternate strips. Okay. Now we have done with alternate folding. Can you see? Yes. Now I'll cut the one which are folded inside. The strips which we have folded inside, that you have to trim it off. Okay. See, like this you have to trim. Okay. Fine. Like this you have to trim it. Okay, done. See, nice, isn't it? Yes. Okay, now I'll keep it aside. Okay, to make it more colorful, I'm gonna use this gift wrap. Okay, This gift wrap, see already this is this size. Let's make little bigger one, okay? I'll take the size of this cup. Fine. First make a circle, then we will crop it, okay? First we'll make a size, then we will cut it. Like this. Make a circle. Okay. Can you see a circle here? Now we will cut this circle. Yeah, see the circle shape is ready. Okay, now what you have to do is just keep it at the back. Wow, it's looking so bright, isn't it? Okay, first what we will do is we will stick it, okay? We will use Fevicol and we will stick this. Use this Fevicol, apply Fevicol here and stick it on this. Okay. After that, see, we made smileys, right? We made smileys, right? Okay, to make it more bright, you can actually use, see, I've cutted this cloth into circle. Okay, you can make a small size circle, little bigger than this smiley. Little bigger than that smiley, I'll make a circle, okay? Like this, I'll make a smiley which is little bigger in size. Like this, okay? Fine. Now stick this smiley here. Okay. Stick it here and you have to stick the smiley so that the smiley looks brighter. The reason we are using this color is so that the smiley look little bright. Okay. Now take a Fevicol. Apply it here. Stick it here. Now take a smiley. I'm gonna take the smiley. Okay. Apply the Fevicol properly. Okay. Hey, see, nice it is. Now we stick this Rakhi to the string, shall we? Okay, once again use Fevicol. Now first divide the string into two equal parts. See the middle one. Apply Fevicol and then stick this Rakhi on it. Okay. Hey, such a nice Rakhi I prepared. So nice, isn't it? Okay. See, with very simple things I have made such a bright Rakhi. See, the reason of using this is I thought of cutting it into flower and you can also use this as a Rakhi. For cutting it, just you have to crop it like this. Okay. You can use coffee cup if you have. I don't have coffee cup, so I'm using the juice cup. You can take coffee cups, small size. We get this white small size coffee cups. If you have at home, you can use that one as well. If you want to make a bigger size Rakhi, you can use this. Just cut the coffee cup into strips like this. Fine. Once you make it, just spread it. spread this and make it like this. Okay, like this you can see because this is a juice glass, it is becoming so big. If you use a coffee cup, you can make a small one. In between you can stick this blue color and a smiley. Even that gives a very pretty look. See, nice, isn't it? Now you sit with mama and make Rakhi making. Hey, it's really very pretty, isn't it? I want you to make a nice, creative, innovative Rakhi. Tell mama to share video. Okay, and while making Rakhi, ensure you are not using any sharp items. Tell mama to help you out. Okay, now make a innovative Rakhi and share it with me. Okay, if you don't have all this material, only with simple paper also you can make. Take a piece of paper, make a circle, okay. Now fine, make a circle. Now take clay. You can use different color clays. Okay, what you have to do is make small balls. Those are like beads, different color beads you can make. See, I am using green color, I am using pink color. Okay, see, like this. Make different color, small pebbles. That means small beads you have to make. Like this. I am making each color 5 balls, small balls. Instead of these balls, you can use thermocol balls also, but I don't think you'll have at home. If you have thermocol balls, you can use thermocol balls. Because I don't have thermocol balls, I am using this clay. See, I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green color balls. Now I'll be making 5 orange color balls. See, I made 5 orange color balls. Now I'll use blue color. Color. I'll make 5 blue color balls. See, I've got 5 blue color balls too. Now, shall I use pink color too? Yeah, I'll take pink color also. Apply Fevicol within that circle. Okay. Okay, now start sticking this clay balls. You can use different colors. See, I am using all the colors which I made clay with. See, nice. Now we will fill inside also. In the middle we will keep blue color. enough. See, it's a very easy and very colorful Rakhi. After sticking, just cut the circle. Just cut the circle, and once it's dried off, you can stick it to the string like this. Okay, use Fevicol. First divide the string into two. Okay, now on the middle part you apply Fevicol and then stick this clay Rakhi on it. Okay, hey, see, such a nice Rakhis I made with very less material. Yes, now you also think and make an innovative Rakhi. Whatever material you have, you can make it. Tell Mama to record a video and share it with me. Hey, so pretty Rakhi, see, with a very less material I have made so pretty smiley Rakhi and clay Rakhi. Yes, now you also think creatively and make a nice Rakhi for Rakhi celebrations. Let's see how creative you are. Okay? Hope you enjoyed language activity and also Rakhi making. Come on, get your material. Prepare a nice innovative Rakhi. Complete the task of Hindi and Telugu. Tell Mama to record a video and share it with me. Stay home, stay safe. I'll be waiting for your videos. I'll be waiting for your pics. See you in the next video session. Bye-bye. Take care. Love you all.